Meteora, Greece. And behind us we have the Holy Trinity Monastery.
Yeah, this place is crazy. In the 14th century, there was Greek Orthodox monks who basically came here to live in isolation away from the Turkish invasion. And they built these crazy monasteries atop these cliffs.
We got here and we realized just how cool this area is. So it looks like we're gonna be doing some, maybe some rock climbing, some mountain biking, and definitely some hiking.
After a little mountain bike ride, we made it up to this monastery. This church was built in 1357, and it's at the top of this cliff. Jesse is up there rock climbing right now. I'm down here with a cheese pie. It's so good. 4 kinds of cheese, probably a bunch of butter.
Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. Gonna have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, he's gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky.
So I made it to the top of my climb, and the view is pretty spectacular up here.
When you die and you lay it to rest, you're gonna go to the place that's the best.
We're at the foot of the Aegean Sea over there. So we have made it to the town of Meteora. And it's at the foot of Mount Olympus. Mount Olympus is right up there.
And Mount Olympus is where the throne of Zeus was back in ancient Greek mythology. So we are going to climb it tomorrow.
So tune into our next vlog. I think we're going to start at like 4 a.m. and we're going to do it in a day. So we'll see you next time.
Make sure that you subscribe to our channel to see us hike Mount Olympus and the rest of our time in Greece.
And to help.